All right, guys. You're going to open your present. This is from Mimi and Grandpa.
Thank you.
Okay.
Look at that. She's my new store.
How did you know that's what it was? Look, it says, "Happy birthday, Hannah. Mimi and Grandpa John love you."
It's my last birthday.
It was your birthday? It was your last birthday? Here. There you go.
So what is this?
That's the top of it. What do you say? What do you say? Put it down gently. Put it down on this rug. Oh. Okay, Hannah, what do you say?
Thank you.
Very nice.
Then this is my